This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
This isn't just another robot. This is what happens when you give a ChatGPT-like AI a body and let it control the physical world through ROS, the robot operating system. Forget simple commands, he just gave this robot a complex, multi-stage mission in one sentence. Go to a zoo, identify animals, visit a space center, describe it, find a soccer ball, report its color, and then come home. Normally, this would take a team of engineers weeks to program. This AI is about to do it on the fly. And it's off. The large language model interpreted the entire request and is now sending commands to the ROS framework. The robot uses its SLAM navigation system, building a map of the room in real time, to find the zoo. Its AI vision kicks in, correctly identifying the animals before moving on to the next task. It's a seamless conversation between language, navigation, and sight. After describing the space scene and identifying the red soccer ball, it flawlessly returns home. The mission is a success, proving that complex, human-like instructions can now be understood and executed by a machine in the real world. But this AI's understanding goes beyond just navigation. Here, it's told to spin, move, slide, and even pull off a drift. The language model understands the creative intent behind drift and translates it into a precise motor control sequence for the ROS system to execute, showcasing incredible fine motor control. This is where the AI vision system truly shines. It's not just tracking a color. When told to track the object above the book, the AI has to combine vision, seeing the book and the rocket, with the linguistic understanding of the word above. It's reasoning about spatial relationships. Then it's told to track Iron Man, proving it can identify and follow specific complex objects from its knowledge base. A practical example? Autonomous patrolling. It's given a simple voice command to follow a line and stop for obstacles. This is a classic ROS function, but now it's triggered by natural language, making it instantly deployable and user-friendly. But this is the grand finale. The robot is asked to simply describe what it sees. What happens next is a breakthrough. Using its AI vision, it performs a full scene analysis and generates a human-like description. It identifies the astronauts, the traffic light, the road markings, and even the Eiffel Tower in the background. This is a true vision language model in action. It's the fusion of conversational AI like ChatGPT, the robust framework of ROS, and real-time computer vision. This is the moment robotics became truly intuitive. To see the future of AI and robotics unfold, make sure you subscribe to AIX. You won't want to miss what's coming next.